we are live. Welcome to our Cleverful Kids Kitchen. I'm Holley Grainger along with my two best kitchen helpers. You want to introduce yourself? Francis and Ellie. And we are really excited today to be sharing the most delicious muffins with you. These are Florida orange juice blueberry muffins that we have also given a little extra ingredient. Throw a little something special in there. You want to tell them what it is?
Sugar.
Oh yeah, well there's sugar. What?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. So thank you to our friends at the Florida Department of Citrus for sponsoring today's virtual snack date. I think this is around number 30 for us, and we have loved coming into your kitchen really since about the middle of March, since kind of all this started, to share some favorite kid-friendly, family-friendly snacks with you guys. So today we're making muffins, and I love this because they're delicious. We made a batch this morning. They're delicious for breakfast. They are so good for lunch. So let's get started, but tell us where you guys are watching from. We're in Birmingham, Alabama. So tell us where you're watching from. Let us know you're here. We are so glad that you guys are here. If you have comments, if you have thoughts or questions, be sure to leave them. If we can't answer them live, we'll definitely jump back and answer those for you. So let's get started. Now the key when you are making muffins is to mix your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients. So I'm gonna let Francis start first.
Crack my egg?
Go ahead and crack your eggs. But I'm gonna let Francis start, crack them into here and then put your shell in here. Let Francis start with our dry ingredients. We have 3 cups of flour. And to that, she is going to add 3/4 cups of sugar. Now I'll give you a little hint. The recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar, and I found that with baking, you really do need to follow the recipe close because there's a certain science when you are doing recipes like this. But you can cut down the sugar just a little bit, and this really doesn't affect the flavor of the muffins at all. In fact, you get so much sweetness, just that natural sweetness from your Florida orange juice, that you're still going to get everything you need and love it. Go ahead and whisk those together. Now Francis has added a tablespoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You don't want to forget your leavening ingredients. And then a teaspoon of salt. Yes, keep whisking.
The salt gives it a little hint.
Why do you add the salt to something sweet, Francis? Do you know?
It's a little hint.
It's a little hint. It brings out that sweetness. So you can go ahead and stir all this together. So in here we have 3 cups of flour, 3/4, try not to splash it, you're okay, just stir slow. 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm gonna say that again with our leavening. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. If you're watching on Instagram Live, if you check in the caption, I have the recipe right there for you. If you're watching on IG Live, I will go to my stories and leave the recipe for you guys when we are finished with this. All right.
That's good.
Nice. Okay, so Ellie,
Can I get it?
yeah, if you want to. So Ellie has gone ahead and whisked together 2 eggs. Now Ellie, I'm gonna let you, when you come back, add in the star ingredient of this entire recipe.
I'm back.
All right, so slowly, actually let me stir and you whisk. So you're good, Francis, you hold for a minute. I am adding 1 cup of 100% orange juice. Now this is Florida orange juice, and good, keep stirring when you're gonna add in that melted butter. And you really can taste the difference. Yes, go ahead and add it and just whisk it in slow. With Florida orange juice, it just has this amazing burst of flavor. I don't know about you guys, but have you ever been to an orange grove? I had the chance to go down to Florida about a year or 2 ago and actually walk through the orange groves, and they have this sandy soil like you would think of at the beach, like you think of in Florida. And that's what's really unique with these orange trees, is because it has this cool soil that makes the oranges, just the way it all works, so much sweeter. It's like adding a little burst of sunshine, and the growers down there are just amazing. All right, so we have our dry ingredients. Ellie has our wet ingredients.
Whisk the eggs, or
You've already done it. So Ellie whisked in 1/2 cup of butter, so 1 stick, and then I want you to slowly, we're gonna add this into here. So yep, so wait, so we don't wanna over mix our muffins. That's key to not having tough muffins. Yes, that's perfect. So you just pour this in. Now I love the flavor that the orange juice gives these muffins, and the fact that it adds, just slow, big stirs, that it gives you a boost of vitamin C, an 8-ounce glass of 100% orange juice. Gives you your daily needs for vitamin C. And right now, with all the crazy stuff going on, we really can take what we can get and boost that immune system. So good. So you want to add that vitamin C in for flavor, for sweetness.
When you know like you're done, you have to see like all the white is gone and you just see like the normal color.
That's right. So you want to mix it gently, but so that most of that white is gone. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do, don't mix anymore, we're going to fold in our blueberries and some of our chocolate chips. Now,
Can I put in the blueberries?
of course, so my blueberry roll over here. So it calls for 1 cup of blueberries. We're going about 3/4 cup of blueberries and about 1/4 cup of dark chocolate chips. And add those in.
The big one.
Yes, the big ones, the big dark chocolate morsels. Okay, so dump those in, and then you want to gently fold. Now you can, if you find sometimes that your blueberries or chocolate chips sink to the bottom, you can toss those with flour just before adding them, and that keeps them from sinking. I didn't do this the last few times I made this recipe, and you can see I really had good luck. We've got lots of yumminess up there in the top and all around. So we're gonna add this in. So if you guys are watching and have questions, let us know. Let us know if you have a favorite recipe for muffins, or just let us know what you're snacking on. This is snack time here. It's 2 p.m. Central, or somewhere around there now. And we have had lunch and we're ready for snacks. So these take about 20 minutes to bake. If you haven't already, because I haven't told you, go ahead and set your oven to 375. Let that start preheating. And we are going to get the cooking spray. Let me grab that and get these muffins in the oven. So you can either use muffin liners, or you can just give it a good spray with cooking spray.
I have a question.
Yes.
How long does it take for the muffins to be in the oven?
In the oven? So good question, Allie. The muffins will bake for about 18 to 20 minutes at 375 degrees. Good question. All right, so you can either use a spoon, and we can take turns, or you can use a scooper.
I'll use this spoon.
Okay.
I'll use the scooper.
Okay, and you want to fill each muffin cup almost all the way. That's good, about 2/3 of the way full. Now this recipe, that's perfect, will make about 16 muffins. Gotten somewhere between 15, depends on how much you fill it up, 15 to 17, somewhere in there. That's great.
Or do I need to add a little?
No, keep on going. Do another one.
Yeah,
Yep. Where you want to put yours on? Good teamwork, girls. And of course, there you go. That's okay. I'll smush it down for you. If you want to add some sugar on the top to give it a nice crunchy kind of strudely flavor, you can. It would be really good depending on how much you're wanting to step out of the box to make like an orange juice, like a fresh 100% orange juice glaze with a little bit of powdered sugar, and drizzle that over the top. Yum. There's so many options.
Is that good? Or
Perfect.
just add a little bit?
Oh, we'll add a little bit of this one from Francis's over to here. Look, here we go. That works.
Yeah, now they're
Oh, now they're equal. Do you need to dip back in, Ellie?
right.
All right, it's very important to us when we are making muffins that we have equal distribution of the good stuff, the blueberries and the chocolate chips, all the little things inside. And I love this recipe as a base recipe as well, because you could easily add in chopped pecans or walnuts. Whoa, that's a big guy. That's all right. We'll move some over to the next one.
You can have that.
So there's lots of options for your favorite stir-ins. There you go.
Can I take a little?
Perfect. You're doing great. All right, keep going. You like using that? It helps, doesn't it? Good for that. Hand-eye coordination. Good. There you go. Awesome. All right, add some more. All right, we're getting messy now. All right, keep going. We're gonna do a few more, and then we'll get these in the oven.
Yeah,
And we will dive into what we've already made, because they're still warm. They just came out of the oven about 20 minutes ago. All right, so a little bit more. You think we're good? Want to finish them off?
I think we're good.
You may finish them off?
Yes, please.
All right, so y'all just want to eat, don't you?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right.
That's the best part about
All right, so I think this time we're gonna hit about 12 muffins. Again, it kind of depends on how much you fill in each of your muffin cups. There you go, Francis. Nice.
And we can add the rest to that one.
There you go. And there we go. If you guys make this recipe, be sure to let us know. Tag me in the recipe or tag Florida Orange Juice or both because we want to see your creation. And certainly let us know that you're here and that you're snacking along with us because this is yummy time. All right, so we will pop these in the oven as soon as we hop off our live. These look good, girls. Nice. And we'll have, thankfully, lots of yummy muffins to enjoy for snacks and breakfast over the next little bit. And of course, pairing this with a glass of 100% orange juice just rounds it out and makes it quite a yummy snack, huh?
Yes.
So good. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to tune in every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. here on Instagram and on Facebook. Before we're doing 3 days a week, now that we're in summer mode, we're condensing a little bit our snack schedule. So be sure to tune in every Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m. Central to watch our virtual snack date. And if you love snacks like we do, make sure you join on Facebook our Easy and Fun Snacks for Kids group. There are tons of recipes. I'll be sure to leave the link for you guys so that you can find it. Thanks again to our friends at Florida Orange Juice. Be sure to check out their page. They'll be sharing this. They'll also have the recipe for you. So find this yummy Florida Orange Juice blueberry muffin with some little bits of chocolate in it and enjoy it. And be sure to let us know that you've tried it. Thanks, everybody. Have an awesome weekend. Be safe and enjoy yourself. Happy snacking. See you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. This one's good. Bye. This one.